In this video, we will see how to use merge and center command, how to draw tables, how to draw inner lines and outer lines in tables, how to use merge cell command, how to align text in cells, and how to create timetable in MS Excel 2019. So we will go to the online scenario and create timetable in MS Excel. So before we start creating timetable in MS Excel, we should have a timetable in front of us. We should have a hard copy of how to design a timetable. So we'll be going to design a timetable in MS Excel. So we should be having a timetable with us, correct? We should be having calendars. 2 years back we had a calendar. At the last page we have a timetable. The same timetable will be creating in MS Excel. So can you see the red color circle? That is my cursor. I made it red so that you all can see where I click. So before we start with the timetable, we need to know the columns and rows. So in the previous video, we have gone through Excel features, rows, columns, all those sheets. So now which are columns? A, B, C, D. So okay, this A, B, C, D are called as columns and 1, 2, 3 are rows. Okay. So basically A, B, C, D are columns and 1, 2, 3, 4 are rows. Now to create a timetable, we should know how many rows and how many columns we require. So you can count, okay, how many rows and how many columns. So now I will take 10 columns and 10 rows. Okay, 10 columns and 10 rows. So you can count. Okay, so I'm taking from F. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, count again. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can click the mouse and drag. Okay, then bring it down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And leave your mouse. So this particular cells are highlighted. Okay, in this highlighted cells I want to create my timetable. I can increase the size of the cells, I can increase the width of my columns. So first thing, we'll put a border for it. So select the cells like 10 columns and 10 rows. See, I have selected. Again I'll select from F to O and come down. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and click on, you can see over here borders. Okay, bottom border, whatever. Okay, click over here on the drop down and say thick outside border. The moment you say thick outside border, you will get a outer border which is thick line. Okay, say suppose I want inner lines too. So again select the column in which you want inner lines. Again select on a drop down on borders and say all borders. Okay, all borders came. The moment I say all borders, my thick line is gone. Can you see that? Yes, my thick line is gone. Again I have to select my table and again I have to go in borders and say thick border. Okay, so when you say thick border, it should be always at the last. Don't do it at the first. First select the cells, how many cells you want, then select and then say all sides, or go to the borders and say all borders. Once you say all borders, again select the table and say thick outside border. Is it? Yes. Now in this first column and row, that is F to O. Okay, I want to remove these lines. Okay, can you see the cells? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want to remove those cells and create into one cell. Okay, I want to remove the cells and create into one cell. So how do I do it? I select the cells which I want to merge. So I will be using merge command. Okay, select the cells which you want to merge. Say suppose I want the top line. Okay, I want to merge into one cell. So select it. Again I will select, click on F and drag it to 0. Is it selected? Yes, it is selected. And say merge and center command. So what will happen? It will merge into one cell. Now there are how many cells? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cells. So I will select all these 10 cells and click on merge and center. Can you see what happened? Merge and center. Only one cell. Now you can type over here SFX time table. Select it, make it bold, or you can change the color of it. Okay, and you can select again, you can select the cell and change the background color too. See, done the top portion. Then we have roll number and name. Okay, we have a roll number and name. Again I don't want all the cells in the second line. I don't want these cells. Again I will click select the cells, all the cells, and say merge and center, and then I will type here roll number, I will say dash and name colon dash. Okay, got it? Now it looks quite fine, right? I want to make it bigger. So how do I do it? Okay, select the rows. Look at my cursor where I'm taking it to 4. Okay, rows, select and drag it till 13. Right click on the row. Now just select, this is just selecting. Right click on it and say row height. Okay, so I want to put a row height. I'll put 30. Is it okay? It's become okay now? Yes, okay, 30 should be fine. Okay, so what I did, I selected the entire rows from 4 to 13. Right click on any of it, like, can you see my cursor? See, I'm moving the cursor. Right click and say row height, increase the height. Okay, so that your timetable is visible. Okay, yes. Now see, suppose I want to increase the column. Same things, these are columns, these are rows. I want to increase the column. Select the columns, again right click on it and say column width. So by default column width is 8.43. I want to make it 12. Click 1, 2. Done. Is it? Yes. I'll bring it in the center. Okay. Now the first thing we did is we used SFX timetable. Second one, we wrote roll number and name. See, SFX timetable, select on the timetable. SFX timetable, we wrote it is too small. So what we have to do? Select it and increase the font. Okay. Now I want to put this SFX timetable exactly in the center of the cell. Is it in the center? No, it is at the bottom. And on top there is more space. So what I have to do? Select the cell. Click on. Can you see this alignment, text alignment? Check. It is in the center. See my cursor, red color. See this. Top align, bottom align, center align. Look at the cursor. Top align, center align, bottom align. So I'll keep it in the center. Okay, so roll number and name is okay. Now we have what we have to do is we have to write periods. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to write periods. Click on the cell. See, look at my cursor and write period. P-E-R-I-O-D-S. Okay, again I want to bring in the center. How do I do it? Click on the cell, bring in the center, then I want it exactly in the center of the row. Look at the cursor where I click. These are alignment tags, correct? Want to make it bold? Select and make it bold. Increase the font? Yes, I want to increase the font. Then we have period number 1. Okay, then 2, then write 3, then 4. Then we have recess here. Okay, keep it blank. Then we have period number 5. 1, 5. So how do I type these Roman numbers? I use a capital letter. Okay, 4th period, 5th, then I use V and I, so it becomes 6, then V and 2 I's, 7, V and 2, 3 I's, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I want to bring all this in the center. Select all this periods and go to align text and bring in the center. See, now it is in the center. Now I want to bring it in the center of the row. See, now I want to make it bold. Look at the cursor. Yes, increase the font. Plus. Yes. Okay, I want to change, put a nice color for this particular periods. So select, again select periods. Go to what color you want. Say suppose I want blue. I take blue. And I want a background color. You can select and say yeah, I'll take a green color. Is it? Now we have time over here. Okay, so we have to write time, T-I-M-E, time. So how to bring this time in the center? Say click on the cell, go to alignment, click on center and center, increase the font, okay, and make it bold. Done. Now we have time. Okay, for the first period starts from 8:20 to 8:20 to 9. Is it? Then we have 9 to 9:40. Then we have 9:40 to 10, 9:40 to 10:20. Then we have 10:20 to 11. Then we have recess over here, 11 to 11:15. And then we have 5th period from 11:20 to 12. Then we have 12 to 12:20. Then we have 12 no the 12:40, right? 12:40. Then we have 12:40 to 1:20, and from 1:20 to 2. Is it correct? Now all this I want to bring in the center. So select all the cells, whatever you have typed, go to alignment, look at my cursor, click on center and click on center alignment, increase the font and say bold. Yes, done. Okay, now we want to write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday days, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, correct? Yes, so I will type here Monday. Look carefully, students. Tuesday. Look carefully. Now, I wrote Monday and Tuesday. Look carefully. Look at my cursor. Select both Monday and Tuesday. No need to write Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. In Excel, just give two commands. The third command, fourth command, fifth command will come automatically. So select both the cells, Monday and Tuesday. Go to the edge of the cell till you get the plus sign. Can you see this plus sign? And click and drag at the bottom. Look what happened. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It came automatically. Should I do it again? Again I will do. Look, I wrote Monday, I wrote Tuesday. Select both the cells. Click, go to the edge of the cell. See this plus sign. Go to the edge of the cell till you get a plus sign. Click and drag at the bottom. It came automatic. Is it? Yes. Now bring it in the center. So what I have to do, go to the alignment, bring the center. Again center. Make it bold and make it bigger. Okay, it's too big. Make it small. Yes. Done. Now we have to write your timetable. So you'll need to write your timetable. Then what do I have to do? One more thing we have to do. I have to put here interval. Oh, I have to type interval. So what I have to do here? Again, I have to use merge and center. What I have to do? Merge and center command. So click on the cell and drag it down. Okay, and say merge and center. Okay, one cell it became. Now you can type. I want to type interval. 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 So I want to bring in the center. How do I bring in the center? Again select the cell. Select the cells. Click on center. It is an again center. Okay. Now I want to turn it. How do I turn it? Okay, I want to turn this interval. Okay, is it like this in the timetable format which you have? No, I want to turn it. Look carefully, students. Select the cell. Again select the cell interval. Right click on it and say format cell. What I have to do? Select the cell, right click and say format cell. The moment you say format cell, okay, go to alignment. Can you say alignment? Yes, click on alignment. Okay, now can you see horizontal and vertical? Keep it in the center. Horizontal should be in the center. Vertical also should be in the center. Now I want to turn the text. Which is called as orientation. Okay, so click on this red. Can you see the text red small dot? Yes, click on it and turn it to 90 degrees. See, I can turn it. So turn it to 90 degrees and say okay. Came interval. Or if I want to turn it in the other way around, same thing. Select the cell, right click, format cell, change the orientation and say okay. Select the cell, increase the fonts. See. Okay. Change the color of the font. Yes. Okay. Again I will change it. Again click on cell, that is interval cell. Right click, format cell, orientation to 90 degrees and say okay. Is it correct? Interval? Yes. And what is there at the bottom? What is there at the bottom? There is something in written. Always write your timetable in pencil. You can again merge this into one cell. Select the bottom cells. Merge it into one. So you select, say merge. type here. Always write your time table in pencil. Yes, you can change the color of it to red so that it is highlighted. See, the timetable is ready. So understood, students, how to create timetable in MS Excel? Go through the video if you have not understood and practice in MS Excel. So what we have learned in this video? We have learned merge and center command, how to draw tables, inner lines, outer lines, how to merge cell, how to align text in the cell center. Okay, so kindly practice this timetable in MS Excel. Thank you, students.